Have you ever thought about what strange creatures might be hiding in the deep ocean? Well, today we're taking a dive into the dark ocean to check out 10 of the most bizarre sea creatures that actually exist. Now, some of these creatures look like they're from another planet, while others are just plain creepy. Number 10. The colossal squid. A massive deep-sea creature that's even bigger and heavier than the giant squid. This creature can grow over 45 feet long and has the largest eyes of any animal. They are about the size of a dinner plate. These giant eyes help it to see in the pitch-black ocean. Now, unlike other squids, it has sharp hooks on its tentacles, which makes it a scary predator. In all these years, scientists have rarely found full specimens, but scars on sperm whales suggest these two have epic underwater battles. Some believe even bigger ones are still out there roaming the ocean and waiting to be discovered. Number 9. The Dumbo octopus. Not all deep-sea creatures are scary. Meet the Dumbo octopus, who is named after Disney's famous elephant because of its cute ear-like fins. The Dumbo octopus isn't a fierce predator. Instead, it gently glides through the deep, flapping its ears like tiny wings. It lives in the darkest parts of the ocean, where very few animals can survive. Not only that, but it's also one of the rarest octopuses ever found. With its soft body and playful movements, the Dumbo octopus proves that the deep sea isn't just full of monsters. Some are just adorably unique. Number 8. The deep-sea anglerfish. If you've seen Finding Nemo, you might remember the creepy anglerfish. This fish is one of the most feared predators in the deep sea. It uses a glowing lure that hangs in front of its mouth to attract prey in the dark waters. And once the prey gets too close, it's snapped up by the anglerfish's huge jaws. But the weirdest part? It's their reproduction. Male anglerfish are tiny compared to females. When a male finds a mate, he fuses to her body and becomes part of the female for the rest of his life. Strange, right? Number 7. The frilled shark. Introducing the real-life sea monster, the frilled shark. This creature is a living fossil, existing for millions of years. It has an eel-like body and rows of terrifying needle-sharp teeth. Now, the frilled shark doesn't just attack its prey. Instead, it strikes like a snake and coils around its victim before sinking its razor-sharp teeth in. With a slow metabolism and mysterious nature, the frilled shark is one of the deep ocean's most secretive predators. Number 6. The giant isopod. Think of it as a giant deep-sea cockroach, but much, much bigger. You see, the giant isopod is a crustacean that lives on the ocean floor and eats whatever it can find. It's related to pillbugs and can even roll into a ball to protect itself just like them. These tough creatures can go for years without eating and just waiting for food to float down from above. Definitely not something you'd want to find crawling around your bed at night. Number 5. The barrel-eye fish. Imagine having a transparent head where your brain and eyeballs are completely visible. That's exactly what the barrel-eye fish has. Its tube-shaped eyes can rotate inside its clear skull and allow it to look upward while staying still. This helps it track prey above while staying hidden in the dark waters. The barrel-eye fish can spot its food like small jellyfish or other creatures without moving a muscle. With its see-through head and unique eyes, this fish is one of the most bizarre creatures in the deep sea. Number 4. The goblin shark. If aliens existed in our oceans, the goblin shark would be proof. This prehistoric fish has a long, flat snout with special sensors that help it find prey in the dark ocean. But the scariest part? Its jaw can shoot forward like a slingshot and can grab prey before quickly snapping back into place. Goblin sharks are rarely seen alive, but when they are, they remind us just how strange and surprising the deep sea can be. Number 3. The vampire squid. With a name like vampire squid from hell, you know this creature is unique. Now, the vampire squid isn't really a squid or octopus, but belongs to its own special group. Instead of sucking blood like vampires, it feeds on marine snow, which are tiny bits of organic matter that drift down from above. But do you guys want to know what really makes it stand out? When the vampire squid is scared, it turns itself inside out. It shows its spiky filaments that make it look like a monster from a deep-sea horror movie. Number 2. The blobfish. The blobfish is one of the most famous and ugliest deep-sea creatures. This soft, jelly-like fish lives at extreme depths where the water pressure is so high it would crush other creatures. When pulled to the surface, its body loses its shape and turns into a sad and melting blob. But in its natural home deep in the ocean, it actually looks more like a normal fish. But even with its weird appearance, the blobfish is a survivor. Number 1. The dragonfish. Now, let's talk about the dragonfish. This creature is a serious predator. With its long, eel-like body, sharp, needle-like teeth, and a glowing barbel hanging from its chin, the dragonfish is perfectly built for the deep ocean. It hides in complete darkness and uses its glowing lure to attract prey. And here's the really cool part. It can produce red light, which most deep-sea creatures can't even see. This gives the dragonfish a huge advantage when hunting in the dark depths of the ocean. That's it from my side, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Do let us know in the comments which sea creature do you find the most interesting? Until next time, keep exploring the unknown.